Pepperpot Soup. A soup from Antigua and Barbuda. Serves 2. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. Heat the oil in a large soup pot over medium heat. Step 2. Fry the meat, stirring occasionally, until it is almost cooked. Remove the meat to a plate. Step 3. Add all of the vegetables, except peas, and about 1 cup of water to the soup pot. Cook until vegetables are tender, about 7 to 10 minutes. Step 4. Mash about a third of the vegetables with a potato masher or spoon. Step 5. Add the meat back into the pot. Add the peas, chives, and thyme. Add salt and pepper to taste. Step 6. Cook until thick. For a thicker soup, more vegetables may be mashed. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.